alaikum, Brother Ross.
If you start, 1 second. Tell him what happened.
Assalamu everyone. My name is Zohair. If you don't know me, alhamdulillah, we have Brother Ross here. I've known him for about a year, alhamdulillah. I teach at a jiu-jitsu gym not too far from here called Christine BJJ. Known him for a while. I teach his kids, mashallah, very good kids, alhamdulillah. Basically, just the other day, he saw me praying Asr, kind of behind the gym, and then he told me that he had actually taken his Shahada in his home 4 years ago on his own. And for the past 4 years, I had no idea. Alhamdulillah, he told me, and then he wanted to get to know the community. So alhamdulillah, we connected him with MCC, did a great job, alhamdulillah. So happy he's here, inshallah, and let's continue with the Shahada, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum, Brother Ross.
Walaikum salam.
MashaAllah. Let's begin the Shahada, and then inshallah I'd love to hear about your conversion to Islam and your story. So inshallah repeat after me. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is his messenger. Takbir! 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 MashaAllah, you were already Muslim, but this is an amazing, thank you for honoring us with this Shahada, and we'd love to hear your journey to Islam.
I grew up Catholic, my mom was Christian. Never really resonated with me, you know. Never really resonated with me. Kind of grew up with a lot of pain in my heart, so thank you for welcoming me. I'm here now. I'm looking for peace, for structure, and for guidance, so thank you.
Welcome to the community.